CAR T cells are a form of gene and cellular therapy in which a subject's own T cells are re-educated through genetic engineering to be able to seek and destroy tumor cells in the body. We wanted to create a system that we could program these genetically engineered cells to go where they're needed in the body, find tumors, and eliminate tumors wherever they're hiding in the body. And so that's how we came up with this switchable CAR T cell platform. In some ways, it's like a software and hardware-based approach. In other ways, it's like a remote-controlled engineered cell in the body. So a subject comes in, they have their blood cells taken out. We engineer those in the lab and then send them back to the hospital where they're reinfused into the patient. And then we administer to the patient a biologic. So it's an injection that tells those cells where to go. And that injection, that drug, allows us to finely tune the activity of those cells in the body. The switch is an antibody, and that antibody has been engineered to, on one side, grab onto the T cell, and on the other side, find the target tumor cell. And so it's bringing that genetically engineered patient cell to the tumor cell and creating a bridge between them. In this case, the CAR T cells will continue to act as surveillance against any type of relapse. And that's why we're seeing patients with extremely durable responses. These patients have had up to 8 or more prior treatments, which include multiple types of targeted therapies and chemotherapies that they've either failed to respond to or that their tumors relapsed. And these patients then receive CAR T cells and can have a complete durable response, which is functionally a cure after 8 or more prior therapies had failed for them. And so it's a very transformative impact, not only for the treatment of the cancer, but for that patient as well, who no longer needs to receive therapy.